And it goes a little something like
Good damn day, everybody, and welcome to my channel. So my name is Shelby, and if you're new here, hi, how are ya? So my channel is a bit of a modge podge. If you haven't been here before, we do fashion, sometimes we do makeup, you know, sometimes we bake things, make things, and you know, sometimes we just eat and drink and vlog. So yeah, if any of that sounds fun to you, why don't you take a minute to smash that subscribe button, become a member of the Toasty fam, and let's get this party started. So if you read the title, you know exactly what we're doing here today. We are bleach dyeing some sweatshirts. Now I'm sure most of the bleach dyeing videos you kind of watch are bleach dyeing black sweatshirts, which trust me, I love and I've done a million, trillion times. But today we are going to take some old busted shirts, sled dog racing shirt. It's got some stains on it and stuff like that. So we are going to take this shirt from zero to hero.
You thought wrong, my good bitch.
And then we're also going to revamp my favorite color of shirt, which is red. This is actually Samantha Joe merch. We are going to bleach dye this as well. So I'm going to do two techniques. So the very first technique I'm going to do is we're going to spray it with a little spray bottle. So I have this tiny one. We're just going to put the bleach and water solution in it and do that. The next one we're going to do is just mix bleach and water into a cup and pour it over a rubber banded sweatshirt. So the sweatshirt I'm going to do the rubber band on is going to be the Samantha Joe sweatshirt. I'm going to twist it and then do the rubber band on that one. And then for this one, we're just, because there's random stains on it, I'll probably pour some heavier things of bleach on that. But then we're just going to spray this one, I think, with the bleach. So without further ado, let's get to it. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need some bleach. I just got concentrated bleach, giant jug. From Target, you are going to need trusty, dusty rubber bands. I recommend the thicker ones. They don't bust as easily, so we're just going to use some of these little ones that I got in the bleach dyeing kit. I am going to use like a little container just to put the one in that I'm splashing a lot of bleach on. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get to it.
Fuck what you thought I'd do without you. I'm so much better, like you never met me. I'm doing anything I want to. I'm going 0 to 80, so when you see me talk to straight.
Okay guys, so the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to make my bleach water mixture. So I'm going to do equal parts of bleach and water. And how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to put that in a mason jar for now. And if I need more, I'll just make more. Okay, so here we have our bleach and water mixture, and I decided as I was wrapping the red sweatshirt, I decided for the gray sweatshirt, instead of doing a diluted mixture in here, I think what I'm going to do is just do straight bleach in here, and then for the other bigger dollops, I'm going to do just the bleach and water mixture. So that should be plenty of bleach for that. Okay. So you guys, I have my first hoodie in here ready to be dyed. So what I'm going to do with this hoodie is I am going to first take the all bleach, no concentrated little spray bottle and spray the areas that are the most problematic, that I can see visible stains. So once I do that, then we'll decide how else I'm going to dye this. So as you can see, there's a spot there. We'll heavily saturate that spot.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow.
Hello guys, so it is probably just a couple minutes after I finished bleach dyeing these sweatshirts. So I'm just gonna leave them sit probably for about 45 minutes to an hour, give or take. I'll probably go and check on them periodically, see how they're doing, and then once that's done, we will rinse them, wash them, and then we will do a reveal. So stay tuned.
2 very boring minutes later.
Check one. Nothing. Nothing is different.
A lot of boring math later.
Sorry, it's raining out. This is about 30 minutes later. This one is definitely getting lighter, but that's not doing anything. So we'll see. I just put them outside because I didn't want my pups breathing in any bleach fumes. So we'll check in later.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay guys, I'm back and I have the two shirts that I bleach dyed. We are going to rinse them out in the shower, wash them, and then dry them, and I will show you the final reveal. So far it doesn't look like shit happened to them, which is weird because usually it shows up right away, so it probably will show up when I wash it, but we'll see. Okay, this one looks pretty cool. Oh, this one looks really cool. Sweet. And now we wait.
3 hours later.
The moment of truth. Okay. So it looks like this one did absolutely nothing. It did get the stains out though, so I mean, if anything came out of this, it's that. Except there's still stains there, but it didn't do anything. I've never had a sweatshirt not... This is weird. This is weird. I don't understand. This bad boy, on the other hand, is fucking beautiful. Red is my favorite color anyway, but this one turned out really nice. I love that. It just, I don't know. This one turned out great. I love it. I don't know what the back looks like though. Oh, pretty. Oh yeah. This one turned out great. That one can just be stupid. I don't understand. But once they dry, I will do another little bit. I'm so disappointed. Does anybody know why this happened?
Thousands of tears later.
So all in all, I think that the red sweatshirt looks totally bomb.com. It is so vibrant and fun in person, and I will literally be wearing this sweatshirt all the time. It looks really cool. The pattern looks awesome. However, I don't know who hurt the gray sweatshirt, but she ain't about changing. She is a strong and independent sweatshirt, and she don't need no man. So, yeah, with that being said, hello guys, so I'm just popping on to end the video. As you can tell, the red sweatshirt, which is the one I'm wearing today, looks totally bomb.com. However, the gray sweatshirt is the biggest disappointment in my life. And you know, I have done these million, drillion, trillion times, and I'm sad to say that sometimes it doesn't always work out, but anyway, at least we have this one, so yay, good damn day!
You